Finderify.com, your go-to platform for connecting with homeowners in need of roofing services. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to generate high-quality roofing leads using our platform. First, sign up for an account on Finderify.com. It's quick and easy. Once you've registered, create a detailed profile. Make sure to include information about your roofing business, your experience, and any certifications you have. Don't forget to upload high-quality photos of your past projects. A comprehensive profile helps homeowners understand your expertise and builds trust. Remember, the more detailed your profile, the more attractive it is to potential clients. Next, get your profile verified. Verification adds credibility and shows homeowners that you are a trusted professional. Submit the necessary documents, and once approved, a verification badge will appear on your profile. Now you're ready to start receiving leads. Homeowners in need of roofing services can find and contact you directly through the platform. Make sure to respond promptly to inquiries to increase your chances of securing the job. Getting roofing leads has never been easier. Sign up on Finderify.com today and start connecting with homeowners in need of your expertise. Visit www.finderify.com to get started.